This is my Ikea Ficus that I made a video about like 2 months ago, 2-3 months ago, and this is going to be a little update of me pruning it. It seems to be doing very good, seems very healthy. After the repotting, it's inside for the moment, but it's a nice hot day, it's 10 degrees, so I can easily work on it outside. Yeah, I just want to do some general pruning so you can actually see the pillows of the tree, so the pads, I'm sorry, of the tree. So that's what this video is about. Yeah, they are very vigorous trees, so if you don't want to wire marks or them to grow out of hand, it's important to work on them quite often, which this video is going to be an example of. When you're pruning a ficus tree, you can do selective pruning where you find the knot and cut right in front of it, or you can just do like this if you just want it to be quick, because they are very vigorous and they grow everywhere. But sometimes I like to do it selectively, and sometimes it's easier just to cut it off and then just form the pad like a bush. But I probably should do it selectively, since yeah, it's one of my trees. See, look here, this wire this branch has wire marks now, so I need to get this off. There's a stump here that I want to remove with this branch. I really need a new one of these pliers, or I need to try to fix it. That's a problem for another day. This branch right here is going to be a little second pad here, so part of the tapering of the tree, sort of. This one needs to come off as well. It's not part of the plants. It sort of fuses this part together, and I want to have air in between so you can see the branches. Oh fuck. Sometimes I like to remove leaves from the branch to make my wiring easier, and this also shows the branch itself and not just the leaves, which is also nice. That's the work I want to do now. One day I might cut this one back so that the branch get a little bit shorter than this one, because this is supposed to be the longest one because it's the lowest one of the two first side branches. But you could argue against that because ficuses, they grow very strangely, and therefore the bonsai trees can also be strange. So I don't have to. Maybe actually before I finish up this video, I'll bend this one a little bit down. Also this one I wanna. So that's it. Now I just gotta develop this one a little bit, and then I have my second little pad taper here, but this is gonna be the tallest one. I like the weird development here on these branches. I really like the trunk line, and you can say what you will about the Ikea ficuses, but I think they're fun, and there's something sentimental in this tree that I've had it for 10 years. So, oh, the wind is suddenly picking up. Man, living in the mountains is strange sometimes. But yeah, I'm very grateful you guys are watching. I would also really appreciate a like and subscribe. It would help out the channel a lot. We're about to buy a house, and it's gonna get a lot more bonsai and renovation on this channel.